And it's the coffee hour with Ryan and
Me.
yeah. Are you excited, Philip? Yeah, me neither. Who likes this stuff? Not us, right? Now, before we actually get into the stock picks for today, as well as the Bitcoin analysis and our responses to the State of the Union address, I know why most people are here, right? You know why they're here. Oh, I'll tell you then, Phil. It's for something that we call the simultaneous sip. It's it's happening right now. It's on the Scott Adams show right now. He's live right now, and we ripped it off from Scott Adams. So, what do you need to participate? Do you know, Phil? No. You need a cup or a mug or a glass, a chalice, a tankard, a thermos.
I have a spaceship.
You need a spaceship?
I do.
Okay, well, you can fill a spaceship with your favorite liquid if you want. Anything that you can put liquid in. What do you have in your cup, buddy? What do you have in your cup? What are you drinking? What are you drinking? What's in your cup? What's in your cup?
Hot chalk.
You got some hot chalk? You got some hot chalk. And now we're going to do a simultaneous sip. Are you ready, buddy? All right, here we go. Ready, go. Okay, Phil. First of all, we got to say hi to Jason, who's watching live. Say hi, Jason.
No.
Okay, we won't say hi, Jason. Okay, so Phil, last night was the State of the Union address. Now, President Biden, said that he thinks that we can come together and we can make policy together. Do you agree with him? You think it's caca? Is that what you think? Oh, man, he is quite the critic. Quite the critic. I'm going to drink your hot chocolate.
No.
Okay, now, Phil, question for you. With Jerome Powell raising interest rates another quarter point, are you bullish or bearish on the stock market right now? Do you think it's going to go up or down?
Down.
Ooh, really? You think it's going to go down? Do you think it's going to go up 10%? I'm sorry, do you think it's going to go down 10%, 20%? How far down do you think it's going to go?
Down.
You think it's going to go down a lot?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, so are you buying stocks or selling stocks right now? You think it's gonna go? He thinks the stock market is gonna go. All right, which stock is gonna go down more, Phil? Google or Tesla?
Yeah.
Tesla's gonna go. You think?
Yeah.
You think it's gonna go? Now, is that the sound of the cars or a sound of the crash of the stock? Is that the sound of the stock or the cars?
Cars.
Oh, the cars. So you think that the cars are going to crash and therefore the stock's going to go down? Wow, that is quite the analysis, Phil. That is quite the analysis. Now, Tesla seemed to have bottomed around $120 or $100 a share, Phil. Do you think that it's going to go down more than that? No. Okay. So we've seen the bottom of Tesla is what you're saying, right? No. Okay. I'm very confused. So you think that the stock has further to fall. Do you think it's going to go below $100? No. Okay. So the bottom's in on Tesla. Ooh, man, that is a very thoughtful analysis. Philip, let's turn the attention to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin today is sitting right at $23,000 even. With interest rates flattening out, is Bitcoin going to go up or down?
Down.
You think it's going to go down?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think it's going to go down a little or a lot?
Lot.
A lot? Okay. Well, let's look at the technical chart. Bitcoin bottomed right around 16,000. Do you think it was that? You want a bottom? You think it's going to bottom?
Mm-hmm.
You think is it going to bottom at 16,000 or lower?
Lower.
Oh my goodness, Philip. Some people think it could go as low as 13,000. Do you agree?
No.
No, that would be silly. So you think that Bitcoin is going to trade in a range between 13,000 and 16,000. Is that what you're saying?
No.
Okay. Could you help me understand? Where do you think
Acetate.
What's that?
It's acetate.
It's Ashley tape?
No, acetate.
You see tape?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Is what you're saying is that the Fed is going to taper their rates?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness. You think they're going to taper even further, and that's why Bitcoin is going to go down?
Mm-hmm.
I have not heard this analysis before. Interesting. Now, wait a minute. Do you know Jerome Powell?
No.
Okay, man, it's really fascinating that you can have this much insight without having, some connections over at the Federal Reserve. Now, question for you, Philip. Jason would like to know, should you buy Tesla? Yes or no?
No.
Okay, so you think it's going to keep going down. Interesting. I guess if the cars crash, that would hurt their profits pretty dramatically, right? That would. Philip, are you all done with your hot chocolate?
No.
Okay. You are Dr. No today, my friend. You are Dr. No. We will take your stock analyses if you want us to review one of your stocks or your business idea. Philip, question about Ethereum. Since Bitcoin you think is going to go down, Ethereum has held its value pretty strong. Do you think that Ethereum, bless you, are you allergic to Ethereum? Do you think Ethereum is going to go up or down? What? You think it's going to stay flat?
No.
It's going to go up?
Mm-hmm.
You think Bitcoin's going to go down and Ethereum's going to go up? That's really interesting. Really interesting. So wait, this could be like the great flippening where Ethereum takes over. Is that what you think? Wow, there are some Bitcoin bugs who are going to disagree with you, buddy.
No.
You're confident in your ability to be persuasive.
Itchy.
Hmm?
They're itchy.
I'm itchy.
No. Bugs are.
Bugs are itchy.
Mm-hmm.
That is true. Bugs can be itchy. Yes, that is true. Now, Philip, do you agree with this statement?
Mm-hmm.
Saramo here says that smart contracts provide more value than Bitcoin. Do you agree or disagree?
No.
You don't agree?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, I think if you're able to build smart contracts on like the Lightning Network on Bitcoin, then theoretically, you could have that stored on Bitcoin. I think the market's going to have to. What's that?
Nothing.
Okay. Genius is hard to understand, ladies and gentlemen. That is for sure. So not all of us are cut out for it. Okay, Philip, let's do our lightning round. What stocks would you buy right now? Would you buy?
But it's nothing.
You would buy nothing?
Mm-hmm.
Would you buy Meta or Disney? Meta. I would too. I think Meta is really undervalued right now. Really undervalued right now. What did they trade at? Let's see. They're down a little bit today, but man, are they up over the last month. Oh, look at this, Philip. Meta over the last month is up. Trying to find it. Is up 45% in the last month. Do you think it's going to go lower or higher?
Higher.
I agree. I think Meta is still undervalued. Still undervalued. Now, what stock do you think is more undervalued?
It's going this high.
It's going that high. It's going straight up, he says.
Mm-hmm.
Now, what do you think is more undervalued? Meta or Amazon?
No.
You don't know? It's tough, isn't it? Because Meta, got really beat up, but Amazon is down near like its 5-year lows, man.
Hello.
Let's see. Amazon
Hello.
is trading at $100 a share, which is right in line with where they were at like the COVID bottom. Isn't that crazy?
Oh.
Yeah. So do you think that it's that Amazon is going to go lower or higher? What do you think? Higher or lower? All right, jury's out on this one, folks. We do not know. The jury is out. Phil, what do you think of Disney as a stock? Do you like it or no?
No.
You don't? Is it because you don't think Bob Iger is going to be able to resurrect the thing? You don't think Bob Iger is going to be able to resurrect Disney?
Why are you taking it out?
Why am I taking a what?
Out.
Why am I taking a bow? Oh, what am I talking about? Is that what you said?
Mm-hmm.
What am I talking about? I am talking about Disney.
Oh.
Yeah. And the boss of Disney is named Bob.
No.
Bob Iger. It's
No.
Bob.
No.
It's Bob.
A Stewart.
It's Stuart. Stuart is, you mean Stuart from Minions?
Mm-hmm.
Stuart from Minion is the boss of Disney.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I guess if you think about it, I mean, in a Web3 world, you
A Stewart.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. In a Web3 world, you could have characters that are the bosses of companies, right?
Yeah.
Do you think Web3 and Disney will lead the charge?
Gosh, this looks like they're all.
Yeah. Monsters look like that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Let's not pick our nose when we're streaming. Let's not do that. Maybe we wait.
Start.
Oh, you got dirt in your nose?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Thanks for putting that on the table. Appreciate that. Philip, what stock would you buy right now? Would you buy ARK, like Kathy Wood's company, or would you buy the S&P? Would you buy ARK or S&P? Phil, the world wants to know, would you buy ARK or S&P?
S&P.
You'd buy the S&P? I think for most people, the S&P is really just almost what everybody should put their money in, right?
No.
Like long term, the S&P is not going to go down. It's like another savings account, really. Now, here's a controversial opinion. Potato says on YouTube that he would buy neither. He is all in on crypto. Do you think that being all in on crypto is a good idea or a bad idea?
That is that.
I agree. I think it's just crypto could go to zero. So if all of your money's in crypto, that's tough, right? I mean, like, you got to be pretty wired, is what Philip is saying. You got to be pretty wired to go all in on crypto. Now, Philip, one of the goals that I have as a dad is I want you to really understand investing. So Josh Valentine here says that he's been getting his head wrapped around the S&P, and it's been wild. How old were you when you discovered how to invest in the S&P 500? Were you 2 or 3? How old are you, Phil?
3.
You're 3. Yeah. How old is Daddy?
5.
I'm 5.
Mm-hmm.
Do I look like I'm 5?
Mm-hmm.
That's good. Is it my skincare routine?
No.
No, because Daddy doesn't have one. No. Yeah, Daddy should probably start one, shouldn't he? Should Daddy start a skincare routine? Should Daddy start a skincare company? Phil, do you think that skincare company?
I'm fishing right now.
Oh, you're fishing right now. Sorry, don't want to interrupt you, guy. He's fishing. Well, if I start a skincare company, sorry. While you're catching this fish, tell me, do you think that you could run my skincare company?
I'm getting fish.
You're catching fish right now. Okay, that's how we stay young around here.
Trying to get it.
Trying to get it.
Got it.
You got a fish?
Mm-hmm.
Show
I got
us.
it.
Show us the fish you got. Whoa!
It's so big.
That's a big fish. Here's a great suggestion.
Talking.
Hey, this is a great suggestion from
Let's go
Tiffany.
in water.
Okay, Philip, what do you think about a fish oil skincare company?
Off.
You like that idea?
Let's get off.
Get off the fish?
Mhm.
Let's see.
It's
Are you
gone.
gonna rub this fish oil on your skin?
No.
What are you gonna do with this fish oil? Eat it, throw it back. Oh no!
It went over water.
It went over the water.
Oh no.
Hey, can we cheers?
Mhm. Cheers.
Cheers, simultaneous sip. Go. Oh, that's good. Philip, is there anything that you want to say to the people before we go?
Mm-mm.
No. Do you want to say bye, daddy's shit?
No.
Oh, okay. You want to say buy Bitcoin?
Mm-mm.
Do you want to say drive a Tesla?
Mm-mm.
Do you want to say I love hot chocolate?
No.
How about
Mhm.
go?
No garment.
What? No, we say go Guardians.
No.
Philip, you say go Guardians right now.
No.
Go Guardians.
No.
Okay, if I teach you about the S&P 500 and I teach you about investing and I teach you about business, but I don't make you a Guardians fan,
No,
I have
Guardians.
failed as a parent. All right. This has been the coffee hour with with Ryan, and
Please.
thanks for joining us, everybody. Actually, we are indeed drinking Shroom Junkie infused on switch cold brew. You actually nailed it. Nailed it. All right. Say bye, everybody.